Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today I am going to start with new chapter, that is animals and their feeding habits. And main objectives of this chapter are to comprehend the feeding habits of animals, to differentiate between herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, to relate mouthparts of different animals with their feeding habits, and to inculcate love for animals. First, I will give you a big picture of this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about why animals need food, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, food chain, eating habits of animals, special body parts that help animals to eat, and pets and domestic animal. Before going to start, I will discuss various terms that we are going to use in this chapter, and these are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, rumination, pet animals and domestic animals. Students, now let's start with reading on page 24. Food is one of the basic needs of all living things. Students, underline the word basic and write its meaning necessary. We have learned that all living things need food. Green plants make their own food by photosynthesis. Can animals make their own food? No. Animals either eat plants or other animals. In this chapter, we will learn about food habits of different animals. Why animals need food? Animals get energy from food. Students, underline the word energy and write its meaning power. Animals need energy to move around. Animals like horses, donkeys, oxen, and camels help us with our work. They need energy to do work. Animals get energy from the food they eat. Animals need food for their growth. Students, underline the word growth and write its meaning development. Have you ever seen a puppy sucking its mother milk? In a few months, a puppy grows to become a dog. Food also helps the animals to stay healthy. Here question arises, why do animals eat food? An answer is, animals eat food to get energy, to grow and to stay healthy. Students, now let's do an activity. Make a list of 5 animals that you see around you and write what food they eat. Example, dog, it eats milk, meat, bread. Cat, rat, pigeon. Cow, grass. Squirrel, nuts, grains. Frog, insects. Students, have you ever thought, do all these animals eat the same kind of food? No, they do not. Have you ever observed a house lizard? What does it eat? What about a dog, a goat, a crow, or a lion in the jungle? They all have different food habits. Animals can be put into different groups based on the food they eat. Students, and these groups are carnivore, herbivore, and omnivore. We will learn about these groups in our next class. Kindly go through today's topic and solve these questions. Thank you.